Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Buzz Cooks. Today we're going to be doing a whole roasted chicken with carrots and potatoes. And we're going to start off with a large bowl. We've got 6 carrots that I've peeled and cut. I've also got 6 yellow potatoes that I've washed and cut in half. We're going to add some olive oil, some salt, some pepper, a little bit of thyme, some granulated garlic, and also some oregano. We're going to get all those spices into the bowl, and then we're going to give it a real good mix. And while I'm mixing it up, if I could remind you to please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell, and leave a comment if you can. It really helps with the channel. Alright, so we're going to get all this mixed up, and then we're going to put it into our baking pan. There we go. Into the pan we go, and we'll set that aside while we work on our herb butter for our chicken. So I've got 1 stick of softened butter. We're going to hit it with a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of thyme, a little oregano, and some garlic. And like we did with the vegetables, we're going to give this a real good mix. And we're going to use this herb butter to season our chicken with. So make sure you get it mixed up real well. Now I've got my chicken out. I've dried it as much as I could. And what we're going to do here is very gently get our fingers under the skin, in between the skin and the breast meat. And just work your way in there gently, because we want to fill those pockets up with that herb butter. So get your fingers down deep as far as you can go. There you go, all the way to the back. And now we'll have plenty of room to put our herb butter in there to keep our chicken flavorful and moist. So we're just going to scoop in some of that butter on both sides. Use our hands to smash it all down into that breast. There we go. And we'll also do this with the thighs. Tuck that in there. Now we're going to put a slice of lemon into the cavity with some fresh thyme. Put that other slice in there, and that's going to give us some real good flavor of this chicken. And now we have to tie the legs up. So we got some butcher string. And the way I like to do it is just tie a knot around one ankle. And then bring the other leg over and do a couple of loop-de-loops, and then just tie it off. And that'll hold those legs in nice and tight while it roasts. Alright, now we've got the rest of that butter. We're just going to smear it all over the bird. Get all that skin covered nice with that herb flavored butter. And that's going to give you a real crispy, flavorful skin as well. Alright, I put it on a rack, and now I've got a meter. If you don't have a meter, I have a link in the description where you can get one up from Amazon. It's a great tool for any kind of cooking. It'll keep you up to date on your time and temp and tell you when it's time to take it out. Anyway, I got it on a rack. I'm going to put that rack right on top of the vegetables. And we're going in the oven at 350 degrees. And we're going to let that cook until our meter tells us the bird is done, which was just about an hour and 22 minutes if I remember correctly. But that's why you need that meter. Anyways, thanks for watching. Come back often and enjoy this recipe.